Jeff, I have a dream 1 year.
I'm gonna do a shot.
1 year, we're gonna live stream this, and you and I are going to commentary on it. It's gonna be great.
Look at the load on that rig. That's a 4 generator right there.
We'll do some history fun facts at the Trucker Parade. Yeah, CCCs.
Song with the horn, you know. Like Silent Night.
Those people would get
like
booed.
Silent Night.
Whoa! We got county.
You're in trouble.
County search and rescue.
Oh, wait, search and rescue.
All right.
There's the snowcat. Love the snowcat.
That's right.
Get up to Horse Mountain. Wait, how many times has that thing seen snow? Maybe twice.
Yeah. I talked to him about that.
We should probably just throw a fake rescue out there out of Horse Mountain.
I asked them if they could, for like $10, take people up the hill, and they said, no, can't do it.
Oh, here we go. Dude, I can decorate my bug and get in this parade?
You can. Hey, guess what?
Bug.
I'm bringing the Mustang over to my house tomorrow. I'm gonna fix it up.
John,
It's a bugger.
We'll get the Mustang
John, I'm
in it
gonna
next
do
year.
that.
Yeah, you got it.
The bug's at that go bug in there. I guess there's all sorts of classes in the
Jeff, you have a bug.
I do. John, for life. Hey!
All right.
Ice cream man.
Big balls, throw
Go
it
ice
out.
cream man.
Big balls.
I never heard of that. Is that new?
They never come in our neighborhood.
Yeah. That must be at our
That's a love line. Dime bags.
Oh God.
$10 newbies.
Oh, you know there's gonna be one of those this year.
The first week, Tracy.
I'm just gonna say right now,
Mad
best
Max
truck of the year.
Right there.
Disneyland has no throw on this. Oh my gosh. Hudson, look at it. Whoa. Yeah, the
Thumbs up. Go Redwood Coast. That's sweet.
F-350 Super D.
That looks like a boy.
Cub Scout.
Cub Scouts! Woo! Where are the cookies?
Stay in school.
Here we go.
Must have to space out the really good ones.
All right.
Forgot that man and Princess. Prices.
The county peeps are throwing it out, Johnny. Where's your hazmat truck?
Hey, Santa!
Woo! Love it.
Santa.
That's a nice John
Great.
Deere, I
Really
know.
nice rig, yeah.
You must have had a little money in the budget. Yeah. That's like a Unimog.
Guy here.
Square Church, all right. Woo! County tractor.
Arming up, you know.
Enjoy rowing. Make you jump a little.
Flip ride.
We got the sheriff. Go.
Watch her up there. We're the confiscated black truckers. That's what we have pyramided. You know what I mean? Woo, woo, woo. Hudson.
It's an emergency. American propane.
Oh, we love propane. Off the grid. All that propane tanks for the crowd.
Just up to me.
Merry Christmas. Go Sequoia.
Sequoia. They should burn off some propane.
Take a little Dwayne Flacco. Little flare.
Look at those trucks. Yeah. There's some rigs up there, some Yodas. A couple Yodas.
It's Lightning McQueen! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, John! Look at that race car. Oh, is that what that is?
That's Lightning McQueen. I wasn't lying. Go environmental consultant.
Yeah. Should have a big truck with marijuana leaves.
Just throwing gummies out. Left and
I
right.
haven't seen one dispenser.
Ryan, where?
Yeah, hey, where's the...
The Tesla truck.
Yeah, there we go.
Look at that gas
Valley Pacific, the old Renner. And there's Renner right behind them.
No, they keep some effort in. They keep some effort in. Pretty good effort. What do you think the TF means? Oh, that's Christmas lights there on the ground. You see that down there? Oh, yeah, Christmas lights.
Thumbs up. Oh, and the Rudolph one's coming. Here we go.
John, make sure you check your battery.
Yep. I got full battery, Jeff. Go Humboldt County!
Football.
Yeah!
And playing cards with cousin Mel.
Good music! Great stand or something.
Well, that'll be you next year.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna say Johnny 13th tonight. I'm walking the fronts up.
Hey, this is a good one.
Here we go.
Yeah, we got a lot of lights.
Don't trash Christmas.
Dang
Good message.
things. Go HWMA.
Merry Christmas, Eureka!
Go Jordans. Fish and Wildlife. Go get them.
Definitely want to
Get it. Fish and Wildlife.
If you see that black one,
Get it.
Yeah, not good.
Drop the key.
We don't do as much anymore, but we used to go to That's a great bar. That's where I met Sal.
That's a great bar.
Fish on! Fish on!
That's a great bar. It's cozy. That's a good neighborhood bar.
We like fish.
Hudson, what's coming up? Mind blowing. Look at it. Oh my God.
I'm just gonna say right now, best truck of the year.
Disneyland is now growing. Oh my God. Hudson, look at it.
Thumbs up. Go Redwood Coast. That's sweet.